Hello babies, how are you? Hope you are happy. Today we will learn farm animals. Do you know what are farm animals? Animals that live on farm and give their products to us are called farm animals. Animals that live on farm and give their products to us are called farm animals. Means जो animals farm में रहते हैं और हमें कुछ देते हैं उन्हें farm animals कहते हैं. Some of farm animals are cow, sheep, hen, duck, bee and goat. Now see this picture. Which animal is this? Yes, this is a cow. A cow is a farm animal. Cow eats grass. Tell me, what does cow give us? Yes, correct. Cow gives us milk. And we use this milk to make butter, cheese and ghee. Now next, which bird is this? This is a hen. Hen is also a farm animal. It is a bird. It lays eggs. Means it gives eggs which we eat. Now next, which is this animal? Yes, this is a sheep. It gives us wool and we use wool to make woolen clothes. Now next, which animal is this? Yes, this is a goat and goat is a farm animal. It gives us meat and milk. Yes, it gives us meat and milk. Now next, tell me, what is this? Correct, this is a duck. A duck is a farm animal. It is a bird. It lays eggs. Yes, it lays eggs which we eat. Hen and duck both give us eggs. Now tell me, what is this? Correct. This is a bee. Bee is also a farm animal. Do you know what does bee give us? Yes, bee gives us honey. Learn these all facts. It's very helpful to learn all this from animals. Bye bye.